Hello everyone. I welcome you all in this new video tutorial of class 12th, and today I'm going to discuss 7.6, which is integration by parts. So write down the heading integration by parts. So this is one of the important topic of your integration. Okay. As we've discussed in our differentiation that there is some different rule for doing multiplication of two functions. Like suppose I'm differentiating u into v, so it will be first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Similarly, in integration there is a big formula for doing such things. I mean doing the multiplication of two functions. So just write down the formula. Write down the formula. Integration of multiplication of two function. So first function, integration of second function, minus of, make a big integration like this, and inside of it write differentiation of first function and into integration of second function. Okay, so and plus c as usual. Okay, so this is how we'll perform the multiplication of two functions by using the integration by parts. Fine. So this is the formula which we're gonna use to solve multiplication of any two function in integral calculus. Okay, so let's do one example. I'm taking one question from your exercise, and the very simple question I'm taking. So I'm taking x into sine x and dx. Okay. So guys, before solving this question, I just want to tell you that in differentiation, there is no need of, choosing that will this be the first function or this be the first function. But in integration, I need to choose that which one among the between these two, which one will be the first function and which will be the second function. So for that, we'll be using one priority rule. Just write down priority rule. And its shortcut is I late. I late. Okay, I'm telling you how I will use it. I represents inverse trigonometric function. L represents logarithmic functions. A represents algebraic functions. T represents trigonometric functions, and E represents exponential function. Okay, so guys, as we have seen that there's a one question, so we'll see that between these two, which one will be the first function and which will be the second function according to this priority rule. So you can see there is one algebraic function and one trigonometric function. So if I'll start from here, I can see that first algebraic function will come and after that trigonometric function will come. So this will be my first function and this will be my second function. So this priority rule will tell you to decide that which function will be your first function and which will be your second function. I'm just using this formula which I have been, closed with a bracket, a box. So let's do. See, there's a first function, so I'm writing first function. After that, integration of second function. So I'm writing integration of sine x. Then there is a minus sign, then there is a big integration, and inside it there is differentiation of first function and into integration of second function, like this. Okay, so let's do the solution. This is x, and integration of sine x will give you minus of cos x. Let's write plus c over here. Then minus ये जो outer integration है, this will remain same. First solve these terms which are inside the bracket. So d by dx of x, it means differentiation of x will give you 1 and integration of sine x will give you minus of cos x. Okay, so my question is about to solve. It is minus of x cos x, and you can see this minus and this minus will become plus, and it is integration of cos x dx plus of c. So this is nothing but minus of x cos x, and this cos x will become sin x after doing integration, and this is plus c, and this is my answer. Okay, so this is how we'll perform multiplication of two function in integral calculus. I hope you all understand this. So let's do one more question that will be different from your trigonometric function. Just note it down or just take a screenshot so that I can take another question. So let's have another question. I'm taking one more question from your exercise, and this is x into log x. Okay. Now again, CI late. Now you can see logarithmic function is coming first in this priority rule, and after that algebraic function. So this will be my first function and this will be my second function. I'm just applying the formula. First function, integration of second function, then minus differentiation of first function, integration of second function, and then whole integration. Okay, so this is log x. This x will be x square by 2 after integration. And guys, d by dx of log x will give you 1 by x, and it is x square by 2 and whole integration plus c. Just do not forget to write c. So you can see this x and this x will be cancelled out. So it is log x into x square by 2 minus of x by 2 dx plus of c. Now again to the integration, it is log x square by 2, and this will be 1 by 2 is common, it is x square by 2 and plus of c. So your answer will be log x into x square by 2 minus of x square by 4 plus of c. So this is your answer. Okay, so I hope you all, understand this priority rule, that how we are taking our first function and second function. It means how we are deciding it, right? So, guys, I want to tell you one more thing, that there's many question in your 7.6, and I know you'll be able to solve every question, but there is one or two more important things I want to tell you. Suppose there's a question in which only inverse trigonometric function is given to you. There's no other function. But I very well know that there is no formula of integration of tan inverse x. There's no formula. And there's no another function here. So could I solve it by using integration by parts or not? So I want to tell you that definitely you can solve it by using integration by parts. How? Just write 1 over here and tan inverse x over here. Okay? And जब भी ऐसा कुछ आता है, similarly for log x, अगर सिर्फ आपको log x given है, suppose this is your question. So there is a no formula of doing integration of log x. तो इसमें भी आप कैसे कर सकते हो? इसमें भी you can write 1 into log x. ठीक है, अब बताते हैं कि मैम हाउ विल यूज द प्रायोरिटी रूल. तो यार देखो, ये 1 को मैंने खुद से डिसाइड किया और इसका इंटीग्रेशन तो है नहीं. जब हम आईलेट के थ्रू देखते हैं और हमने जब सॉल्व किया तो हमने देखा जो मेरा सेकंड वाला फंक्शन है वो हमेशा इंटीग्रेशन के अंदर आता है. इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं इसको सेकंड फंक्शन नहीं ले सकती हूँ क्योंकि इसका इंटीग्रेशन हो ही नहीं सकता है. सो दिस विल बी माय फर्स्ट फंक्शन एंड दिस विल बी माय सेकंड फंक्शन. सिमिलरली दिस विल बी माय फर्स्ट फंक्शन एंड दिस विल बी माय सेकंड फंक्शन, क्योंकि सेकंड फंक्शन को मुझे इंटीग्रेशन के अंदर डालना पड़ता है और फर्स्ट फंक्शन का क्या होता है, डिफरेंशिएशन. मैं आपको ये करके दिखा देती हूँ. देखिए, फर्स्ट फंक्शन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 dx माइनस ऑफ d by dx of tan inverse x into integration of 1 dx and whole integration. Okay, so this will be tan inverse x into x minus of d by dx of tan inverse x will give you 1 upon 1 plus x square, and this is x only, and dx इसका आपका integration x हो गया. So you can see it is x into tan inverse x, just write c plus c constant, and minus it is x upon 1 plus x square dx plus c. Now you can check that if I'll put 1 plus x square as t, so it will become 2x dx is equals to dt, or I can say x dx will be dt by 2. Okay, so just substitute that values. Just wait a minute. Just substitute that value, then it will be very easy. It is x tan inverse x, and this will become dt by 2. So I'm taking 1 by 2 as common, and this is t and plus of c. So it is x tan inverse x minus of half log t plus of c. Just replace this value of t, x tan inverse x minus of half and log 1 plus x square and plus c. And this is my answer. Okay, so guys, you'll find 7.6 very easy, and you just need to remember this formula, that how we use integration by parts by solving any function which are in multiplications. So thank you for watching this video. Do try to solve each and every questions from your 7.6, and if you have any doubt, you can do comment, you can do mail, right? And we'll meet in the next lecture with the new exercise of your chapter number 7, which is 7.7. So do like it, do share my video, and do subscribe if you are a new to my channel. Thank you so much.